That's for the video, and here's the step. So before you can add your payment details to the Play Store or the App Store, you need to have these three things. And first, you need to have a Google account. Yes, a Google account in a good state. So just in case you don't have a Google account, check in the comment section or search on the video and create one for yourself. Yes, a good one that you'll be using most of the times. Okay, and secondly, you need to have the Play Store app or the App Store app installed on your device. And I'll be showing you how you can set up on your iOS, on your iPhone. So just in case you use Android, check in the comment section or the description of the video to know how you can do it on your Android as well. So just follow up, okay, in the comment section or the description to know how you can set up on your Android. Now, iPhone users, download or have the App Store app installed on your device. After that, you need to have a MasterCard, okay, that's a 13. Have a MasterCard or have a Telecel SIM card, which has been registered with Telecel Cash. Okay, so it should have Telecel Cash and you can use it to link your App Store to make payments. Okay, so let's start with it and let me show you how it is done. By if you're new, you haven't subscribe and like the video. Just give me a like and let's start with it. Let's go. So look for your App Store and then open your App Store. So when you open, you could see we have the SO right here. This is your account. So you go to your account. Let's tap on it right here. When you tap on it, you will see your account and then the name right here. Just give it a tap again. So you will tap on it again. You wait for some time. It will load and then give you the option for you to add your payment. So you need to confirm your Face ID. Okay, and you could see we have the manage payment. Okay, manage payment. Tap on the manage payment. If you haven't subscribe. If you haven't like the video, because more videos will become right here on this platform. So we have this option, okay, which is the Visa, MasterCard, and American Express that you can link to the App Store to be making payment. Then you enter the number right here, you enter the expiry date, you enter the CVV, that is the security code mostly at the back of it, and then mostly you give your location as well. So you tap on this to add all these details right there, including your country. Okay, yes. So after that, then you tap on done at the top right corner right here. You tap on done, you wait for some time, it will load, and now you could see the payment method has been added, which is the MasterCard. Okay, so that is the only option that we have right now for the payment. Okay, but check yours and see whether you see the option for Telecel. This is iPhone X, so maybe I may be missing some features, but check on your device and see whether you get it, and let me know in the comment section whether you have it or not. Okay, and just in case you want to remove it, just tap on the edit right here, and then you could see the red sign right here. You tap on the manual red sign. Okay, then you remove the payment method. That's it. Okay, so now the payment method for that has been removed. So just in case you want to add, then you follow the same procedure to add as well. Stay alive and bye for now.